Hey, what's up everyone? This is Silver Slayer. Thank you for tuning into this video. Right across the board, right now, price pullback in the world of precious metals. We're going to explain what's happening. Before we start, make sure to smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe if you're new because I do post daily videos. Gold, $1,557, down $2.80. Silver, $17.75, down 28 cents on the day. Platinum, $999, down $18. Palladium, $2,290, down $124. What is going on? Link to this article will be in the description if you want to check it out yourself. I try to highlight the main parts of the article and bring, just the highlighted main concept and the main points, but sometimes I can't fit it all in the video to try to make my videos in a timely manner. So if you do want to check these articles out, link will be in the description as always. So let's jump into it. Gold and silver prices are modestly down in early U.S. futures trading Tuesday. The precious metals market, bulls taking a breather and amid some consolidation and backing and filling on the charts. Don't be surprised to see bulls step into the buy dip in prices, as there is some risk aversion in the world marketplace this week. February gold futures were last down $4.40 an ounce at $1,555.90. March COMEX silver prices were last down 7 cents, $17.99 an ounce. Right now we see it at $17.75. We are going to be going over the support and resistance levels to see what it has to stay above or below, and to see where we're going to stay in this price, in this pullback or this correction. Before I keep going on, I want to share some stuff about silver prices. They go up and they go down. When you can understand this, when you can take out the emotional attachment and look at the bigger picture, taking your perspective and twisting it to realize that a correction is actually healthy for a market. Dips are actually opportunity to buy it for cheaper. It's like a discount because the price will go back up above $18. All this means is you can buy your precious metals for cheaper. I made a video earlier today talking about how to stack silver for cheap, and I highly recommend watching that, as I mentioned situations like this where you can capitalize and you can actually take this as an opportunity rather than looking at it as, oh man, prices are low, that's bad. It's actually good. Not only is it healthy for the market, but it also gives yourself an opportunity to buy, lowering your dollar per ounce average. Anyways, Asian and European stock markets were weaker overnight. U.S. stock indexes are pointed toward modestly lower openings when the New York day session begins. There is keener risk aversion in the marketplace to start the U.S. trading week Tuesday, following the Martin Luther King holiday Monday. China is now battling a coronavirus that has killed at least 4, with hundreds more afflicted, and is rapidly spreading. The illness, which is apparently easily contracted, is being compared with the SARS virus killed hundreds 17 years ago. Would-be travelers in China and Asia are now likely to at least curtail their activities. There is also focus on the World Economic Forum annual meeting in Davos, Switzerland. President Trump delivered an address to the group Tuesday, mostly touting the U.S. economic growth during his administration's tenure. So at the Davos confab, International Monetary Fund releases a report that forecasts global economic growth at 3.3% in 2020 and 3.4% in 2021. Those figures were compared with the world economic growth of 2.9% in 2019. So U.S.-China trade war, the trade negotiations, the partial trade deal, all this stuff is actually helping global economic growth rates boost, especially once a full deal goes into place, not just a partial deal. Anyways, respected Bridgewater Associates fund manager Ray Dalio said that Davos confab that gold should be a part of an investor's portfolio due to the uncertainties in the global marketplace that could derail the bull run in equities. So, people are saying that precious metals are a very smart alternative, especially to the dollar. In other news, the closely watched German ZEW Economic Expectations Index came in at 26.7 in January versus 10.7 in December, and better than forecast. The reading in January was highest in 4.5 years. The markets are so far paying very little attention to the impeachment of President Trump's process. The U.S. Senate this week will debate President Trump's trial parameters, with the trial itself likely starting afterward. The key outside market today see crude oil prices down and trading around $58 a barrel. U.S. dollar index is slightly down early today. There's no major U.S. economic data due for release Tuesday. So, a lot of stuff here. Not too much, though, that's actually going to be affecting prices drastically. I mean, right now it actually looks like prices could be on the better side when you see that the stock markets are modestly lower in today's opening. The dollar index is lower. Not too much stuff going on. I mean, we see the partial trade deal that happened last week, and just a couple of things like the SARS virus or the coronavirus. I mean, there's not too much, but we do have a lot of stuff going on in the future, which could affect prices for the better. So if silver is going to stand ground, build some support right here, then we're definitely going to see prices to the higher side. So do not panic sell right now. Do not become extremely worried or thinking that things are going to hit the fan. I mean, right now, things are in a good spot. So now we see gold and silver, and you can see similar patterns, and actually looks like silver just slightly more volatile, meaning it goes higher highs and lower lows, which also is opportunity for the day traders, the marginal traders. So that's something I also want to mention. And before we start on the chart analysis, I want to mention some Kitco News tweets. So if Trump is not reelected, gold should go above $2,000 an ounce this year, says Euro Pacific Capital CEO Peter Schiff. Interesting stuff. I'm curious what you guys think about that as well. So, technically, the gold bulls have the overall near-term technical advantage, but the January spike high is still strong chart resistance to overcome. A price uptrend is still in place on the daily bar chart. Bulls' next upside price objective is to produce a close in February futures above solid resistance at September's high of $1,571 an ounce. Bear's next near-term downside price objective is pushing futures prices below solid technical support at $1,525. First resistance is seen at the overnight high of $1,568, and then at $1,575. First support is seen at $1,550, and then $1,541. Market rating 6.5. March silver futures bulls have the slight overall near-term technical advantage. Silver bulls' next upside price breakout objective is closing prices above solid support. And this technical resistance at the January high is at $18.89 an ounce. The next downside price breakout objective for bears is closing prices below solid technical support at $17. We see the first resistance at this week's or last week's high of $18.18, and then last week's high at $18.25. The next support is seen at $17.90, and then last week's low of $17.69. So not too much going on right now. We're kind of in this limbo mode where we're trying to see what the next big news is. I mean, the Iran tensions, the possible World War III, or everyone was calling it, all that stuff has settled down, as it looks like they were kind of, I don't want to say half-assed, but they're not wholeheartedly retaliating, kind of standing down. And that calmed things, that calmed the waters. Stock markets aren't setting record-breaking highs or anything. I mean, the biggest news would be Trump's impeachment probably, or the China coronavirus, but not much is really going on. So things are in limbo right now. People are just waiting to see what's going on, whether it's from stocks, the dollar index, from geopolitical news, stuff like that. And right now, silver has some opportunity, because not only can we take advantage of this, but like I said, people are going to buy the dips. And when people buy the dips, that's putting more money into the market, also pushing the price back up. So I would not be surprised if silver did jump back around $18. within the next couple of days as people take advantage of these lower prices. It's like going on a discount. People are going to take opportunity when they see it. And if there's a dollar to be made, that dollar is going to be made somewhere. And it's definitely, I don't blame you. I mean, I definitely would if you're someone who's speculating or if you're on the fence about buying lower, this is definitely the time right now as prices are down. So anyways, I'm going to wrap this video up here. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to smash the like button. Make sure you subscribe if you're new. Like I said, the link to this article will be in the description if you want to check it out. I was able to cover the whole video today because it wasn't that long. Usually I try to highlight the main parts, but today I was able to cover the whole thing. But still in the description if you want to check it out. Make sure to smash the like button. Thanks for tuning in so much. This was Silver Slayer. I will see you guys soon. Peace.